Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital balance. Let's tap on start. Of course, me or your child, up to you, of course. And as you can see, after setting all of those options, we will be transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today and what kind of time we've spent, how much time we've spent on particular apps. So you can see that, for example, in my case, the settings took me 12 minutes to use it. The total screen time was 19 minutes, which is almost 2 hours less than yesterday. We can tap on this graph and here we can check the exact dashboard. We can go back to the previous day and other days, of course, and check and compare the usage. We can, of course, tap on last 7 days, and thanks to this, we've got this weekly dashboard. Thanks to which it is much easier to compare. Here we've got most used apps, so you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the exact time you've spent on them. So it is quite nice to check. Alright, so this is how it works. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.